I am so excited. I'm so unbelievably excited right now. The UPS driver just showed up and I've been waiting for this for months and it's finally happening. So here it goes. It's gonna be so sick. I can't wait to show you guys. So these are some of the last things I needed for the FC, the wheels and the wide body kit. This is gonna be the coolest FC around, I promise. Like I said again, sorry for the echoing. The house is brand new and there's nothing in it. It's very open. This is gonna be our ping pong area. But I will show you guys the house another day when we get a little bit more stuff set up and everyone's here, so it'll be a fun video. But that is coming soon, I promise you guys. But yeah, so the wheels, the wide body. I'm so unbelievably happy right now. I can't explain it. I've been talking to you guys about wheels showing up forever and I finally got them. They actually had to order them in Japan because they're shipped to order, like made to order almost, I guess you could say. They don't just have the wheels usually sitting in stock, this specific style. So let's open these things up and see what they look like. Oh, these are so sick. Huge shout out to ENKEI. Huge shout out to ENKEI wheels. They are the best wheels and I can't believe I get to work with a company like them. They've done so much for me by supporting me these past couple years and it's the coolest thing ever to work with a company that's so legit, so reputable. They make the best wheels ever. A dream wheel of mine is the RPF1 and these are the RS05RRs, I believe. I'm pretty sure I'm right. I've obsessed over these wheels for a long time. This is the like gunmetal gray finish. I'm gonna pull this out of the box and tell you guys a little bit more about them and the specs. So when you open the box, you have a beautiful presentation of this ENKEI wheel cover that goes over the top of it. So you can save this and actually put these over the wheels when you transport them or whatever you're doing. And they actually make a really cool cover. If you have like garage seats, like round bench seats, you can put these over the top of them. I actually have one in my garage that's just like that. So I'll show you guys next time I go to my shop exactly how I have that set up. But when you open the box, these are in the bottom of the box. Don't really know what they are. I'm guessing one of them is this is like the cover, probably the center of the wheel cover, like the wheel cap. And I think this is, I don't know, it's kind of hard and heavy. It feels like a tool, maybe a valve stem or something. We'll see, I guess. So you have the ENKEI racing sticker. I don't know if it's very focused, but that's definitely going on the wheel. And the nice wheel center cap. So I personally like the way it looks with center cap. Some people don't, but I think it looks awesome. And this actually has the, looks like the valve stem with the center cap. So I'm really curious what's in this box. That is awesome. This is actually a tool for your lugs that is a smaller diameter so you don't mess up the inside of the wheel. So let me show you guys exactly what I mean by that. So as you guys can see, this is a very concaved wheel and is very deep, and you don't want to mess up all of this right here and have it all scratched up and everything. So this tool is an extension that goes perfectly in there and has play, so it's not super rough and messing up the side of the wheel when you're spinning it, and that's actually really cool and that makes me really happy. So that's super sick that this comes with that. That just shows the little bit of effort and extra time and thought that they put into their wheels, how they pack them, and making sure that everything is solid with them and for the longevity of them. Now it's time to open up the over fenders. So the car is gonna be insanely wide. It has to be able to fit that huge wheel. So let's open these things up and check them out and see how sick they're gonna be. So this is the wide body that I'm going with the FC. As you can see, it's literally insane how much wider it is. These actually go over the stock fenders. So just for like reference, that's how much wider the car is gonna be from where the stock fender is, which is absolutely insane. I believe these are the fronts right here, and this is the rear of the car. So just look at how wide that is. It is seriously crazy how wide that is. The fenders that I decided to get are insanely big to fit insanely big wheels, which, I mean, not insanely big wheels, but I'm gonna still need a wheel spacer for sure. So it's 100 mil wider in the back and 90 millimeters wider in the front, which is seriously crazy. But with a little bit of a spacer on the wheels and with those wheels, it's gonna be literally absolutely insane. So I don't really know what to do. I don't know what to do. I'm like, don't know how to keep myself together because I already wanna have everything on the car. I think I'm gonna bring the FC up here and do the install and the first install ever at the house in the garage. So that'd be cool, have everyone around and make everything super sick. So I'm crazy, crazy excited right now. These wheels with these over fenders are gonna look unbelievably good. I seriously can't wait. Like just getting like the little glimpse of like kind of how the car is gonna look right now is making me so happy. But I'm gonna go ahead, put this center cap on the wheel and then go open up one of those front wheels and just do a comparison of how much bigger the rear is gonna be than the front. Oh, baby, look at that. Look, oh, there we go. Come on, okay, there we go. And come on, there we go. The concave isn't as much on this wheel for like a comparison. So front concave, rear concave. Oh my God, the rear has so much concave, it's ridiculous. But that's gonna look amazing. I'm super happy. You can see the height difference on them, kind of. It's kind of hard to tell, but let's see exactly what specs I got. Okay, so I just figured it out. This is an 18 by 11 plus 16, and this is a 18 by 9.5 plus 22. So I'm definitely gonna have to run a good amount of spacer because it's like 100 mil rear, 90 mil front, but I'm guessing it's probably gonna be like a 75 mil spacer. That's what I'm hoping. Or I'm hoping for a 50 mil, but I know that's not gonna work. It's definitely gonna have to be bigger than a 50. But I think Jason and Sheldon have a few extra spacers so I can test fit it, figure out the exact perfect spacer that I want with the tire size that I'm going for, and hopefully get it all figured out pretty soon. Jason is on his way back, Dylan's on his way back, and Jace is on his way back. So gonna get their little input on how they like the wheels and what they think about it, and probably just hang out and have a good night because I'm just having a good time, dude. I'm so happy. So I forgot to end today's video, so I'm sorry about that. But like I said, I'm insanely excited about the wheels and over fenders. You guys already saw it on my Instagram if you do follow me. If you don't, I'll have it right here. Yeah, so big plans. A lot of stuff has already been happening to the FC, so make sure you guys stay tuned. Fenders are already cut out and the new fenders are already on, so you're definitely not going to want to miss that. There's some crazy near-death experiences in it, so if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button, give me a like, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Oh, also, my hat flew off on the freeway, so I don't have a hat, so this is probably the first time you guys have seen me without a hat, but thank you guys, bye!